Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah, dear students. Today I have come up with another topic, that is environmental pollution, and today we are going to talk about air pollution. Air pollution can be defined as any undesirable change in the composition of air, or we can say any undesirable change in the physical and chemical structure of air. As you know, air is most vital for the development of the various living species that are part of the planet. There are certain causes of air pollution, as we have mentioned in the preceding lesson: uncontrolled growth in human population, rapid industrialization, urbanization, uncontrolled exploitation of natural resources, and other things. Here we can say major air pollutants and their sources. We have first carbon monoxide, that is CO, carbon monoxide. This is the most vital air pollutant presently that we see. If we see carbon monoxide, it is colorless and odorless gas, having no color and no odor. It is produced by incomplete burning of carbon-based fuels. Whenever we burn carbon-based fuels like petrol, diesel, and wood, as we also call fossil fuels, by burning of these fuels, carbon is released into the atmosphere, then it reacts with oxygen and forms carbon monoxide. Apart from that, it is being produced from the combustion of synthetic products such as cigarette. If any person smokes, he releases carbon into the environment and it affects the humans which are present there. Apart from that, this carbon mixes with the oxygen present in the environment and it forms carbon monoxide. It can affect a life. It lowers the amount of oxygen. First thing, it is lowering the amount of oxygen that enters the human body. Secondly, it slows the reflexes, and through that we feel too much sleepy and confused. Then we have another pollutant, that is carbon dioxide. Add this name is on the tip of tongue of every person: carbon dioxide. It is the principal greenhouse gas. As you may be knowing, there are certain greenhouse gases. That's that's carbon dioxide, CFC, water droplets. These are main ozone depleting gas. This is also the greenhouse gas. As you know, carbon dioxide is being released in the environment by burning of fossil fuels. As you know, we are using fossil fuels at the rapid pace in the present world. We are burning coal, oil, and other natural gases. Carbon dioxide has also posed the threat and depleted our environment. Then we have CFC, chlorofluorocarbon. CFCs are used nowadays. Technology has come and we are thinking about green technology, so we try to replace CFCs, but mostly underdeveloped countries are using CFCs for air conditioning system and refrigeration. When CFC is being released in the environment, it reaches stratosphere where it comes in contact with few other gases and which deplete the ozone, and it harmfully affects the human life and other life forms on the earth by letting the UV rays reach the earth. It is the biggest cause for depletion of ozone layer. Then we have another air pollutant, that's lead. Lead is another air pollutant that has caused havoc. It is widely present in petrol, diesel, and lead batteries are being used. Apart from that, it's being used in paint industry, hair dye products. They are also using the lead. Lead affects mostly the children. In particular, it affects the children. It can cause nervous damage in the children, and apart from that, it can cause digestive problems. And in some cases, it can even cause cancer. So then we have another pollutant, that's SPM, suspended, that is suspended particulate matter. It is another air pollutant. It consists of solid, or we can say solid particles that are present in the air in the form of smoke, dust, and vapor. In the form of smoke, dust, and vapor. It's called SPM. They can remain suspended in the atmosphere, in the air, for longer period of time. The finer of these particles, when breathed in, they reach to the human lungs and can cause lung damage, and respiratory problems are also the cause. These are the main air pollutants. Apart from that, there are the air pollutants like, we have sulfur oxides, which are being released mostly from the industries, and they pollute our air. Air pollution is the cause of concern. Being a human, being a responsible human being, and being a good citizen, it's our moral duty to preserve our environment and to preserve every aspect and every part of our environment from being polluted. So in the next lesson, inshallah, we are going to talk about smog. What is smog and what are its effects and how smog is being formed. See you in the next lesson. Take care. Goodbye. And never forget to subscribe my channel for further updates.